If your Samsung TV refuses to turn on and the red standby light blinks 6 times, you're not alone. This is a very common Samsung TV issue. The good news is that some causes are simple and can be fixed at home. Let's try to fix your TV. Step 1. Perform a power reset. Before assuming the TV is broken, you must perform a proper cold boot reset. This clears residual electrical charge and resets the main board. Unplug the TV from the wall outlet and leave it unplugged for at least 30 seconds. While unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then plug the TV directly back into the wall and try turning it on. Step 2. Disconnect all external devices. External devices can sometimes cause the TV to fail during startup. Streaming sticks, consoles, soundbars, USB drives, or HDMI devices may send conflicting signals during boot. To rule this out, unplug every HDMI and USB device from the TV. Leave only the power cable connected and try turning the TV on again. Step 3. Test for a backlight failure. One of the most common hidden causes behind a Samsung TV blinking red light is backlight failure. The TV may actually turn on, but the LED backlights fail, so the screen looks completely black. To test this, turn the TV on, dim the room lights, and shine a flashlight very close to the screen at an angle. If you see a faint image, menus, or shapes, the TV is working internally and the backlight LEDs have failed. Step 4. Check the power source. Power delivery problems can easily trigger repeated red light blinking. Plug the TV directly into a wall outlet, not a power strip, surge protector, or UPS. Try a different outlet if possible. Make sure the power cable is firmly seated in both the TV and the wall socket. If you have completed all basic steps and the red standby light continues blinking, Samsung considers this a service level fault. Continuing to force restarts will not fix the issue and may worsen the damage. If the TV is under warranty, contact Samsung support immediately. If it is out of warranty, a qualified TV repair technician can confirm whether the issue is the backlight, power board, or main board.